Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how to recover your old deleted previous photos in just 1 minute. I will on my request in recording. Okay, first of all, you can open your Play Store, then tap your search bar and type photo recovery. Photo recovery. Then first type है file recovery folder. Then you install the app and then install it. Please wait. That's it. As you can see, open the tab. Then app is opening. So waiting for this app opening. Then open it. You're showing many ads. Skip this ad. Then language select English. Next button. Click on next button. Then next button. Then start it. Skip this ad. Claim this. Skip this. All video are showing photos, videos, audios, document, recover, messages, screenshot remover, junk remover, contact recovery. All items are there. Then click this photo app. Allow this. Allow this. Then searching these images. Just wait. Images are searching. See that approx 4,000 are running. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो जितने भी हमने रिकवर करे थे पूरे फ़ोटो आ चुके हैं। आप यहाँ देख सकते हो जितने भी फ़ोटो डिलीटेड थे पूरे सारे फ़ोटो आ चुके हैं। आप देख सकते हो आराम से। ऐसे अमेजिंग टेक्निकल वीडियोस देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ऐसे अमेजिंग वीडियोस मैं लाता रहता हूँ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियोस।